All right, it's time for greasing all the moving parts. We don't have bearings here, we have bushings. And so there will be nipples like this one here, where we connect our greasing tool, and the grease must be put in all of these joints. So there will be a couple of here, 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 here. So all the moving parts here, here, 1, 2, and then this one, 3, and also here, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one by one. Here's my greasing tool. Okay, the first one right here. This hasn't been done for a long time on this machine, so I need to clean all these nipples well. Okay, I feel the grease going. Haha! I see the grease going out this way. Number 2. This is cool. Oh, shoot. Number 3. Extra. Not a chance. Whoa. Let's do this. Good. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one. Okay. And the next one is there. Okay. Problem number 1, we had to hammer a little here. Okay. If this protection wasn't here, the nipple would already be broken. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. We've got everything down here covered. The next one is here. Can you see the little guy over there? Okay, we just did this one, now the next one. And it's located right there. This one was just done. I'm gonna skip this one just for a second because I need to readjust the machine, reposition it, but this one is in a very good position now. Okay, this one done. We've got this one in very good position now. Okie dokie. All right, thank you very much. Somebody hasn't been down this pivot here for many hours of work. 1 push, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Yeah, I'm good, I'm so good. Now from here we're moving right here. This one looks damaged. Okay. Now this one is exposed. This one doesn't work too. So we have 2 nipples to be fixed or replaced, and here's the last one for greasing. Okay, working. Okay, good. And I forgot about one more nipple for this pivot. It would be super easy to access it without my bucket on, but you can do it with it. Okay, so now I'm gonna just clean, wipe off the excess of the grease. I'm gonna order the 2 nipples, and on those pivots where the nipples are broken, I'm just gonna put some oil now, and it will do for a couple of hours.